Hook pass. And the long pass. Is the pass. Pinilagpit lace for the lead and one. Oh. Stabs at 3. Bang! Pass back. Glass fire of the glass bucket. Attack from the middle. Spin. Pull up J. Bucket. Hello mga idol. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die semifinals ng Ilocos Sur Intertown para sa laban ng Burgos at Banayoyo. And a jump ball. And first ball possession, Banayoyo. And kicks out. Pass to the middle. Number 13, pull-up jumper. Bucket, first block. Inbound, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Kicks out, corner pass. He dribble the ball, he attacks. Hook shot, won't go. Kinako mula sa likod. Number 20, he drops, spins, floater shot, too strong. Rebound, still Burgos. Stabs at 3. Bang! Number 7. And here's number 9. To the middle, pull-up jumper at the free throw line. Won't go. Rebound, number 7. Fires, wala. Any fires, my foul. And ball possession, number 20. 14 Burgos to number 1. Domingo drives, and fires, no good. Rebound, put back, wala pa rin, put back, another one, the second shot. And it's Team Burgos. And setting the play. A bounce pass to the middle, Caliboso, kicks out, step back, speaks, pull up J, bucket, the nets. And here's number 21. Attacks, dates to the hoops, and one. And here's Team Burgos. He pass, he fires, in and out and in, bucket, to go. Number 0, sa gitna, attacks, side step, fires off the window, bucket, 0. He pass, hold the ball, number 9. Pass inside, do saktong-sakto, bucket for 2. And here's number 20. Tugade. To Domingo. Picks. Drives. Hooks. And stolen. Number bounce pass. Pinabitin, bucket, and 1. And crosses the mid lane. Number 21. Pass on the inside. Attacks, reverse layup, Caliboso, bucket for 2. Here's number 9. Pass to the middle, Tugade. Kicks out, sa 3. Bang! 3 ball. 4-point lead, 14 Burgos. Number 23. Pass inside. Bounce pass, number 13, sa gitna. Pull up J. Na good. Rebound, put back, block. And nakuha ngayon. And here's number 20 to the middle. Posting up. Natapikan. Na-recover. Number 1, Domingo with the ball. Attacking the defense. Binangga, talsik. Here's Team Burgos. Number 20 setting the play. Number 11. Domingo. No basket. Oh, basket and 1. And here's Team Banayoyo. Bounce toss. Number 17 launches on 3. Short. Perfect. Number 18. He lays block. And Rico. Here's Team Banayoyo. With power 3. Bam! 3 points! At the half court, second quarter action. Team Banayoyo basketball. And here's Valdez, holds the ball. Asking for a pick. And Hipomanga, pull up jumper at the free throw, no good. Rebound Banayoyo, pull up J. He's still no good. Rebound picks, clutch, my foul. Rebound. Put back of the glass, in and out and in. And down to 1-point lead. for Team Burgos. Number 11. Attacks. Fires na good. And magmamadali. 2-on-1. Tuloy-tuloy. Bakit? And is Tugade to the rim. Pinasa. Hook shot. Wala. Tips in. Bakit? Stolen. And long pass. Pass back. Picks. Clutch. Fire of the glass. Bakit? And is Tugade. Wide open for 3. No good. Still rebound Tugade. Drives. Hook shot. No. Pasok yan. And it's number 18. Hollywood pass. The love pass. And Alcini. And there's number 69. Stops. To the middle. Sa 3. Off the mark. Battle for the rebound. Long pass. And dives. Please. In and out. Pull up J of the glass. Wala pa rin putback. And one ang gusto. And he pass. Number 6. Spins. Picks. Uy! Sumilong pa. Oop. It's number 20. Stops. Sa gitna. Please. Bakit? And here's number 6. To the middle. Tugade. Pass. Number 20. Tugade. Tugade. Pass inside. Pull up J. Short. Rebounds. To the corner. One bounce and fire off the glass. Bucket for 2. Here's number 0. Chongson. The bounce pass. Please. Yes, sir. Number 6. 14 Burgos. To the middle. Chongson. Ay, Tugade. Tugade spins. Pass to the middle. Rebound. And one. And 11-point lead. Inside. Reverse layup. Oh! The smooth. And here's number 6. Setting the play. Number 20 dribble the ball. Tugade. Number 6. Attacking the rim. Lace. Too strong. Rebound. Banayoyo. Pass break. And all alone. Chongson. Easy 2. 28. Manzano binitbit. Kinaliwa. Oh! Grabe yun. And here's Team Burgos. 6-point lead for Team Burgos. Attacking the rim. Pinabitin of the window. Manny. Chongson. Bounce pass. Umatake ulit. Hinug shot. Wala. Naagawan. Put back. Bakit? And here's Team Burgos. Number 1 holds the ball. Bumangga. Spin. Ball dip. Uy! Nagsakto pa sa kanya. Bakit? Sa gitna. Comboa. Attacking the rim. Pinabitin. Pinayot. Number 21 with the ball. Gamboa. Sa 3. No strong. Rebound. Number 13 pull up J. Bakit? Team Burgos. Number 2 with the ball. Attack from the middle. He spin. Pull up J. Bakit? Gamboa. Pass back to Gamboa. And here's Chongson. Almost stolen. And is stolen by Domingo. All the way to the rim. Bakit? Easy 2. And here's number 23. Valdez. Gamboa. Valdez pass inside. Fires off the glass. Bakit for 2. And back to 8-point lead for Team Burgos. Number 2. To the corner. Pull up jumper. Bakit? Kanet. Oops, natapikan. Uy! Supalpal! Backdoor inbound. Attacks. Fading away off the glass. Domi. And here's number 21 with the ball. Gamboa to the corner. Gamboa, Valdez. Corner pass. Pull up J. In and out and in. Back and to the middle. Stop. Wide open for 3. In and out. Ni-recover. Pull up J off the glass. Wala pa rin. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Babalik. Steals. Corner long 2. No good. Spins. And here's again. Domingo. Oh! Bakit? Tuwatamo. Number Gamboa. Bounce pass. And attacks. Sa gitna lang. Gandang pasa. Pasok yan. Domingo with the ball. Domingo. Spins. Domingo drives to the middle. No good. And nakuha ng Banayoyo. And create space. Pass to number 9. Corner. Pinasa pa sa loob. Pass. Too strong. Rebound. Dalawa sila off the glass. And 1. And down to 6 points. Tugade. Pass to Domingo. To the corner. Attacks. Fires off the glass. Wala. Nagkatapikan. Nakuha dito ng Banayoyo. Attacks to the rim. Short. And the last on the free throw. Bakit? And a 4-point lead. May foul. And down to 3-point lead. Bakit? And the long pass. And, uy, yung reaction, no? Grabe yung reaction, no? Uy, pumasok na si coach. Seconds on the game clock. Baseball pass. Eksakto yung pasa. 1 bounce. Pinilit. Wala. Naagaw pa. Oh, that's it. Enes Timburgos. Number 22, Tugade. Pass to the middle, natapikan. Naagawan. 3 on 2. 4 on 2. Na ipinasa Lace. Too strong. Baseball pass. And yes, this perfect pass. Too strong. Wala. Ayaw na nila mag-shoot. And the long pass. O yun. For the tie. Patay game. Napapalipins ang Banayoyo sa 3. Bang! Their backdoor inbound. Pull up jet the corner. Bakit? 5-point lead. And sa 3. Bang! Gamboa. 4-point lead. 14 Burgos. Pull up J. Bakit? Down to 2 again. Tugade. Bounce pass to number 20. Pass to Domingo. Versus Gamboa. Natapikan, naagawan. And here's pass. And here's Barcalce. Barcalce goes to the hoop. Pinasa. Oh, Tiger! Papa-defense ang team. And attacks. Floater shot, no good. Rebound. Burgos still. And open. Domingo for 3. In and out. Kicks out. Open for 3. Another one. Wala pa rin. Battle for the rebound. Burgos pa rin. Foul. And 1. And here you go. Sa gitna. Sa gilid. Open look. Bakit? Tiger. Tim Burgos. Mapapa-defense ang Banayoyo. Domingo for Tim Burgos. Atake pull up J. In and out. Beraban pa rin. Kicks out. Number 18 floater shot off the glass. Wala. Banayoyo rebound. Hook pass. And the long pass. Is a pass. Pinipit list for the lead. And 1. Oh! Go Burgos. Oh, loses the ball. Yo. Number 28 with the ball. Pass to Gamboa for 3. Short rebound. Reverse kaya. Bakit? Stolen. And there's Domingo. 1-on-1. Pinagsumpal. May foul. Inbound. Pass back. Bounce pass. He kicks out. Sa gitna, Gamboa. Natapikan. Goal stolen. Then Domingo, may foul. For the tie. No good. Rebound. And with the ball, number 9, number 7, Barcalce. He passed the ball. Number 9, number 26, Nard Valdez. Natapikan. He fires a 3. Bang! And here's the fires. Tugade. No good. Rebound. Banayoyo. And the long pass. Yes, easy to. And mapapa-defense dito ang team Banayoyo. Domingo with the ball. Domingo pull-up jumper at 3. In and out. Rebound. Put back. Short. Put back. And a bucket for 2. Pass the ball sa gitna. Matras. Barcalce. And Barcalce inside pass. Picks. Nakalusot. Pass too strong. The free throw. Bucket. You go. Pass to number 13. Sa gitna to set the play. Number 26. Natapikan. Na-recover. Sa 3. Wala. 50 seconds on the game clock. Stop, pull up J. No good. Wala. Wala pa rebound. And here's Domingo. Sa 3. For the line. No good. Rebound. Uy. For Team Burgos. Looking for receiver. Tugade. And he spins number 6. My foul. And fires bucket. 2-point lead. Last on the free throw. Oh, no good. Battle for the rebound. Valdez. Oh, jump ball. Oh, for the inbound. And there's Domingo. Crossover. Nakalusot. Oh, target! 26 seconds on the game clock. Pass. Valdez. May foul. For the inbound sa gitna. 18 seconds on the game clock. 15 loses the ball. Goes on the side, other side. And here, calming down. Nakalusot. Setting the play sa gitna. Sa corner, nakalusot. Bars, bucket for the win. Nag-dive pa. Oy, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, brother, no good. Oy! High foul for the win! No more time!